Hello there, welcome back. In the last video we made our first very basic Padlet and we're about to edit it to make it a little more unique to us. So you'll see along the top right there's all sorts of different options, but I'm just going to concentrate on the cog. So see that icon, the cog? I'm going to tap on that because in there it actually allows me to rename my wall and add a brief description and maybe change the wallpaper if I want to. So of course you will add the title that suits you. I'm just going to name mine Game Design Assets because I'm getting ideas for my game design and creating assets for my games. And I'm just going to put here in the description, a little brief description. You call yours whatever you're going to start bringing in on your little notice board. You just make yours suit what you're going to do. I'm going to put, now I'm going to use I'm Australian, so this is the Australian spelling of colour. But if you're from the US, don't think I'm strange. Okay, colour. I'm going to put color, characters, theme. Okay, so that's just a little reminder to me of what I'm making this Padlet about. And I'm just going to click save on that. And you'll see that my new title and my new description went in that top left-hand side of my Padlet. Now I'm going to go back into the cog because I don't really like that wallpaper. Okay, so you'll see, now this is the free version of Padlet. When you get the paid version, there's lots more options, a lot more backgrounds, a lot more theme packs, things like that. But honestly, the free version is so fantastic. You don't really need it. So I'm just going to click the little more button that's just underneath those wallpaper images there. And I'm going to choose a wallpaper. I'm going to just go for the notebook one, because this is an ideas sort of wall, and I'm going to click save, and that will save that background for me. Now if I scroll further down, there's all sorts of things. There's the option for the premium plan, but we'll just stick with the free version for now. And there's an icon, there's icons, and you can even select a little icon to put next to your title just to represent what your board might be about. So you can click the more button on that, and when they load up, I could choose something that's appropriate to my wall. I might actually just choose a file folder because it's just going to be a random ideas sort of wall, and click save. So I've got a little icon now. And further down, there's all settings for the actual posting of your media. Now, if you're going to share your wall, all of this would be a little more important. But if I could add things like attribution, which means that each post that is made on this wall has the author of that post actually on it. It's got things like post position, so when new posts are posted onto the wall, do they appear at the start of the wall or at the end of the wall, first or last? It's got profanity filters, so if you had multiple authors that were contributing to the wall and somebody put something in there that wasn't that great, you could have it automatically replaced with a nice emoji. That's quite cute. And there's collaboration settings, so if you were planning to share your wall and you wanted people to comment or you wanted people to react to things that you posted on your wall, you can turn those two things on. There's tags, so if you intended to make your wall public and you wanted people to be able to search it up, I could put a tag game design or game design assets. I could put tags on and publish it to the web, and people could type in search terms and my Padlet would come up. And then there's the address, and that is actually the URL of this wall that I could share with anybody that I chose to share it with. Okay, so I'm just going to close that out now, because I'm pretty happy with everything I've done. Now, in the next video, I'm just going to take you through a few other little buttons on that top right-hand corner there and just explain to you what they do. And I'm also going to start adding some things to this wall. So I'll see you in a bit. Bye.